it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the X, I'm into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug.
Rhymes, verses, and beats. Some elements found in a rap. Rap song lyrics might be written, memorized, or improvised, or is well known as freestyle. Some use rap to tell that experiences, even if it is good or bad. This music genre started in the 1970s that became an instant hit. Rap songs are accompanied by drum beats or synthesized beats and even beatboxing. Rap is also called to be violent because of the lyrics and close to it. Rappers sometimes use obscene and violent words to state what their state is all about. The Philippines is known to be the first hip-hop music scene in Asia since the 1980s. This is by the release of the first mainstream album of the late Francis Magalona. In this album contains his most famous song about his nationalism and how proud he is to be a Filipino. And then came other rap giants that rocked the Philippine music scene. One of them is Andre. His first single received platinum status. The two, Francis M. and Andre, were often compared because of their songs. Francis M., known for his nationalistic works, and Andre, known for his naughty and funny side. Both also has some collaborations, and they are owning one of the biggest recording companies. And they produce aspiring rappers. Many rap groups today are known to come from the underground scene. Dissing someone is one thing rappers do with rap, especially other rappers. On the other side of rap, it is used to express the artist's love. In conclusion, we have seen both sides of rap music. It is also up to you and the artist on which side you are going to. We all have freedom of speech, but we should not abuse this freedom to diss others' lyrics.